Hi, this is Kara. If you want to learn the Russian alphabet not just by sitting and memorizing it for a long time, but practicing it, then watch this video until the end. Oh no, this little kitten is trapped, and if you want to help and free it, then earn 5 points in class. Let's start with Russian alphabets, but we will practice it in interesting way. Here, your task: match Russian letters and their English pronunciation. It's easy actually, so let's start. All letters are the same as in English. This one is this one. It's Russian, it's English. So, this one is A, like in English. A. Repeat after me. A. Next one, this is K. Actually, sound is K, but we pronounce K plus A because it's easier to pronounce. Repeat, please. K. Okay, next one. It's easy. This is M or M. Repeat, please. M. Okay, next one. This is O. Not O, but O. O. Yeah, that's it. And last one. This is T. Repeat, please. T. Yep. And for your practice, please read all these words. Actually, it's not words, it's just some letters, but let's start. This letter plus this letter. It will be K. This letter plus this letter. Ma. This letter plus this letter. Ko. This plus this. Mo. To. Ta. Okay, it's easy. Let's continue. So here you see sneaky twinks. They look familiar but sound different. So this is a Russian letter. It sounds like V. Repeat, please. V. Okay, this one is N. N. This one is like R. It will be a bit harder, not like R, like R. R. This one is S. S. This one is U. U. This one is H. H. Okay, and now let's have practice. Try to read. Х. Хо. Ва. Во. Ву. Ро. Ра. Са. And so. And actually, if it's too slowly for you, change your speed in settings for this video. Okay, let's continue. So, you should tell me, does some letter sound like it looks? Yes or no? Okay. Letter. Yes. Here, I mean, does it sound like it looks in English, you know? Here, yes, it's A. No, this is U. It's V. Yes, it's K. Yes, it's M. Yes, it's O. No, it's H. This one is S. This is T. This is N or N. And last one? No, it's R. So here you see just simple new letters. Let's read them. This is B. Repeat after me, please. B. G. D. Z. L. P. F. Okay, let's continue. Here you see some practice. Your task: match Russian letters and their English pronunciation. Letters. Okay, this one is B. Repeat, please. B. This is G. This is D. This is Z. This one is L. This one is P. This one is F. Okay, we can continue. Here you see singing vowels, the music of Russian. So here you see vowels. Let's read them. Yeah. Try to sing them in order to remember it. Yeah. It's almost like yeah, but with some points here. It will be your. This is E. This is E. This is you. This one is ya. And it's hard E. It will be like not like E, but like that. And here we also have U and O. We've already learned them, but they're also vowels. Okay, here your task: find vowels. And of course pronounce them. Or try to do it anyway. Okay, here vowel is yo. Yo. Here vowels. Yeah, vowels, not one vowel. It's ya and a. Here y. Here you. And of course a. Here e. Here e. Here yeah. The difference between a and yeah is that in this letter, when we pronounce it, we add some y sound before. Like it's just like Here we should add y. It will be yeah, yeah, yeah. Here, your, yeah, and you. Okay, let's continue. Here you see some hissing or buzzing, fun noisy sounds. So, let's start with first one. Like this creature is doing like zh. This letter is zh, like zh. Next one is ch, ch. This one is sh, sh. This one is almost like the previous one, but with other sound. It will be sh, sh, sh. If you want to make the sounds, when you pronounce sh, your tongue should look up, like sh, sh. When you pronounce sh, your tongue looks down, sh, sh. And next one, like snake doing. Like snake is doing, like ts, 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 like that. Okay, here your task. Read or repeat after me. Okay, so you see here transcription, so try to read it. Жар, жук, чай, час, шар, шум, щі, щока, цепь, and цикл. Okay, and also we have letter U, just one little guy, not like others. We pronounce this letter like U, like in word boy. I'm a boy, so it will be U, U. Of course, we have practice. Read this word. Boy, дой, лай, май, дай, кій, тай. Okay, let's continue. Here you see magic signs. No sound, only a job. We have hard sign with such thing and soft sign without this thing. Let's continue. So, hard sign, why do we use it? Hard sign is a mute sign, it expresses no sound. This letter is used before ya, you, ye, yo in order to show that words of the word should be pronounced distantly. For example, we have word pot, jest. We can imagine that we have line here and we pronounce it like two parts. Pot, jest. Pot, jest. Of course, we may imagine that we don't have here any hard signs and we have this word. Actually, we don't have this word in Russian language, but we just have an example. We read it like one, two parts, but the will be part of this part, yes. So it will be pod, so it will be po, jest, not pod, jest, but po, jest. Yeah, and let's read it in right way, because it's too bad. So, pod, jest. Next example. S, jest. Again, hard sign has this line, so we read this word like s, jest. We don't pronounce it, but we should pronounce these parts distantly. Okay, let's continue. Also, you should know that this letter never stands at the beginning of a word. Okay, so soft sign. First thing why we use this soft sign is like hard sign, like this letter can be used before ya, you, ye, yo in order to show that parts of the word should be pronounced distantly. For example, we have soft sign here before yo from this list of letters, and we pronounce it like kop, yo, two parts, kop, yo. We can imagine we don't have here soft sign, it will be ko, pyo, and right pronunciation will be kop, yo, like that. Okay, let's continue. Also, soft sign we use for making some letters be soft. So, soft sign, this letter is for giving a soft sign, of course. We have letter T, it's like hard without soft sign. Without soft sign, it will be like bit, T, hard T, T, like that. Also, when you pronounce T, try to touch your front teeth and the letter, because in English we don't touch our front teeth. In Russian we should do it in order to pronounce it in right way. So with soft sign T will be soft, like быть, not T, but T, like this. And other example, жить. Okay then, let's continue. And if you like this lesson, then subscribe on the channel or follow the link on the channel. I give individual lessons for beginners and advanced learners in Russian. Here you see all letters, also you see vowels, also you see consonants, and two signs. Let's read them all. Let's start, I think, with the vowels. I read one letter, then you repeat after me. So, A, Е, Ё, И, О, У, И, Э, you, and ya. Now, please, let's read all consonants. So, b, v, g, d, ž, z, y, k, l, m, n, p, r, s, t, f, h, c, ch, sh, sh. And that's all. Also, we have hard sign and soft sign, but they don't have any sounds. Now, of course, let's have practice in order you remember everything from this lesson. So, try to read this word. Дом, кот, сок, мак, лес, чай, сыр, нос, мама, папа, книга, рыба, лампа, лампа, диван, диван, хлеб, снег, день, ночь, друг. And of course, if you finish this lesson, then you have 5 points in class. So, congratulations! Kitten is free. So, and if you would like to begin learning Russian in a simple way without spending hours searching online, check the links in my profile. There you will find a course designed just for that, or you can sign up for my online lessons. Of course, learning will be easy and comfortable. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!